Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I got this makeup look, which is really easy, really simple. It's like my favorite makeup look to do in the autumn and winter time. So all I have on my eyes is like a bronzer and mascara. It's the same bronzer that I used all over my face, and I really love this lip combination. It's not too heavy. I don't know, I just feel like myself. I feel the most confident and it's really nice on the skin. It's comfortable, it doesn't feel too heavy, even though I am wearing a quite full coverage foundation. But you can use just a BB cream or just concealer if you want, however you like to do your makeup. But if you would like to learn how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start by applying my foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal 24-Hour Matte Foundation, and this is in 22 Radiant Beige. Dot this all over my face. For brows, I'm going to use my Sigma Brow Powder Duo. Just with the lighter side of the brow powder, I'm going to use that for the inner part, just so it's a little bit lighter and like a nice gradient through my brows. I'm using the Anastasia brow gel. This stuff is like glue for your brows. I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer just on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to use this just in my crease and sort of just all over the eye. So and I'll bring it down to join with my nose contour. So when I contour my nose, it's just going to like fade in together. I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer. I forgot the name of this, but I'm just using this one to highlight my face. I'm going to apply this directly under my eyes and just extend it out a little. I'm going to bring this down the side of my nose. I really love this concealer. It's like a medium coverage. It's really great for just everyday wear. The only thing is I wish the applicator was bigger, because I feel like it takes me so long to apply it. So this is the Sigma Soft Blend Concealer Brush. So I'm going to set just my concealer with the Nye Translucent Powder. Just put a little bit into the cap. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. So I always just like press it in. Let's start bronzing up the skin. I love a good bronzer. And I kind of just go all over my forehead, except for the center right here, because I like to be bronzed. And I always push the bronzer up. Like I blend it upwards onto my cheekbone rather than down because I don't want to bring my face down. I want everything to look lifted, so that's why I do that. I'm going to use my Inglot Blush number 21. I'm just going to use this really lightly. I'm just going to mix these two from the KKW Beauty Contour and Highlight Kit in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to mix those. I'm going to apply a little bit right here, down the bridge of my nose. And just on my cupid's bow. With a more tapered brush, I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer again and just run this along my lower lash line. Just going to curl my lashes. So I'm going to use Spice Lipliner by MAC to line my lips, and I'm going to also fill my lips in with this. I'm going to use Inglot 332 lipstick. This is like a nice nude, just like in the center. These lipsticks smell so good. To finish off this makeup look, I'm going to spray my face with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. This is just my everyday makeup look. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is what I like to do, something like this, just for like the daytime, or even like nighttime is nice as well. It's just a simple, pretty natural makeup look. So give this video a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!